I would like to know if the GMAT score on entry to my course predicted whether or not they would be given a job offer at the end of it. Because this is a categorical variable and it is a yes-no variable, I can run a binary logistic regression on this analysis. Let's walk through running a binary logistic regression in Jamovi. We use this when our outcome variable is categorical with two groups and we want to predict the probability of an event occurring based on our predictor variables. Come to the Analysis tab, click Regression, and choose Binomial to Outcomes Regression. Your dependent variable is the thing that you're trying to predict. So this is your two category outcome. In this case, it's job offer. And the covariate is the thing that you would like to use to predict it. I think GMAT score may help predict whether or not they get a job offer. If you have a variable you would like to divide by, so for example, you'd like to divide by national and international students, you can drag these across to factors. I don't have one of those today. Then we're going to expand our reference levels. This is critical. We need to make sure that the dependent variable reference level is set to your baseline group. So we're looking for either a 0 or a no here. If you see anything else, then there will be a problem. Jamovi will model the probability of achieving the other category. In this case, it's a yes or a 1. Then expand model fit. Make sure that the overall model test and R-square are ticked. Here's my R-square ticked, and I'm going to add a tick for overall model test. This can help us to predict the overall predictive power. Then come down here to prediction, expand prediction, and check classification table. This will help us to see how accurately our model categorizes cases. Then come here to model coefficients. I would like to see an odds ratio. It's easier to use than other forms of prediction. And I'd also like to see a confidence interval. Both of these convert our log odds slope coefficients into the much more user-friendly and intuitive odds ratios. Okay, let's review the results panel on the right. First, check the model fit table. Second, check the classification tables to inspect overall accuracy, sensitivity, and percentages. Finally, look at the model coefficients table. For each predictor, check the p-value for significance. Then look at the odds ratio. A value greater than 1 means that as the predictor variable increases, in this case GMAT scores, the odds of a yes occurring increase. If the odds ratio is under 1, it indicates that there is a lower odds. If you see this little e, that means that the number has so many decimal points that it can't be displayed on the screen. In this case, it's a negative number, so it's an extremely small number.